Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2 from the November 2022 paper pumpkin kit. It's this one here with the candy cane on the front. So we are going to go ahead and get started with this one. And the instructions are right here. What I did notice is the tag here says open me, but on the inside it says no peeking. So you have your choice to do it with the open me or the no peeking. And I'm going to do the no peeking because that's what's in the instructions, but you can absolutely choose which one you want to do. So we're going to follow the instructions all the way through. And it says the first thing we need to do is we need to stamp the no peeking on one of the little banners here. And I'm choosing the one with the dark green trim on it because it matches the drink here. I'm just trying to decide which oval or which round I need. And I think I actually need the smaller one, and I do. So yes, because there we go. Okay, I'm better. I'm all good. Okay, so we're going to take the no peeking and we are going to just ink it up like that. Okay, and then we're going to put it onto the middle of our tag like that. And it fits perfectly. So there we go. So that's our tag done. So the next thing it tells us is we take our two pieces here. We fold this one over onto the other side, and we are going to put adhesive dots in each kind of corner. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we take the dots and we just attach this to this tag base here. We line up the hole there, and then we make sure we're straight, and then we press it down. So we've got the card here. Now we're going to take the candy cane and we're going to put an adhesive dot right here and right here. You'll notice that I'm stopping sometimes to really look at the instructions. I don't pre-make these. I make them on the fly, on the video with you, because that helps me better understand the experience that you have when you're putting the kits together. And it helps me give feedback to Stampin' Up! And Paper Pumpkin to say, you know what, this really worked, this didn't really work, or can we do this better? So I do these, as I say, on the fly, just the same as you would when you are building your kit. So we've got our components built now. And what do we need to do here? I'm going to have a look at the front again, and that this piece is tied on with the ribbon. So I need to turn this over and I need to put some dimensionals on, and I'm going to put a dimensional right up here so it overlaps the candy cane. I'm going to put one down here so it overlaps the candy cane a little bit. Not that you can see it, it just helps adhere everything down. So we're going to pop this one onto the front of the gift tag like this. And then we're going to take our linen thread, and you'll notice how kind of wavy and curly it is. If you just run it between your thumb and finger a couple of times, it helps straighten it out a little bit. So we are going to, it says to put an adhesive dot on here. So we'll do that. We'll follow the instructions as much as I usually go off plan. So we'll do that like that so that it sticks out to the side, but I can still thread my linen thread through. And we'll just tie that bow. Okay. And there we go. Look at me tying 2 bows in a row. Okay. So there we have our second tag in the November 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for the third tag.